Hey guys, welcome back. Today's video is going to be a little bit different. I'm going to be decluttering my closet. I posted on Instagram stories if you guys would want to see this, and I think 80-something% of people said they would want to see my closet clean out. I didn't buy that many clothes over about 5 years until the beginning of last year. I wanted to redo my wardrobe and I did a big clean out then. And then I wanted to kind of change up my style a little bit. So I bought a lot more clothes and accessories in 2021 than I had in a long time. And it's gotten a little excessive. And so I am on a low buy this year for makeup, but also for fashion items. I cannot buy that many per month. I'm just trying to rein it in. So my goal is to get rid of a bunch of stuff that I don't wear, but not reaccumulate. So yeah, I have the small closet behind me here. This is my beauty room, which I'm very fortunate to have that I can get ready in here. I also have this shelf behind me that has clothes, and then there's also some stuff in a dresser over here. However, because I bought so much stuff last year, things expanded into a closet in our bedroom where before I just kept like some formal dresses and like my wedding dress, which I'm never gonna wear again, there. And so I end up putting a bunch of clothes there, but I don't wear them because it's just not convenient. It's not with everything else. So I wanna get all of the everyday stuff back into this room. That closet out there in the bedroom, I just want it to be, like I said, formal dresses, things I don't wear a lot. And yeah, so I figure if I have the everyday stuff together, I will wear it more often. So yeah, I don't know how long this video is gonna be. We will just see. Let's get started. Okay, so I put some stuff on this chair for now, and I pulled some things off of the shelf behind me. I have this purple sweater, which is actually really cute. There's like hair on it, but I really like it, and I haven't worn it in a while because it got buried underneath a bunch of stuff. So this one is a keep. I'm gonna just start piling stuff there. This purple sweater was also piled with the other one, and I think I like the other one better. I don't think I need two purple sweaters. I've had these for quite a while anyway, so we'll get rid of that one. This is just a simple teal long sleeve shirt. I wear these a lot, and I have several of those in different colors. That is from Target. Most of my clothes are either from thrift store, Target, Macy's, and some Forever 21 actually. So yeah, this sweater is definitely, this is one of my warmer sweaters, so I definitely wear this one in the winter time. So we're gonna keep that one. This cream one, really like it. Definitely keeping that. This long sleeve like sweatshirt type thing, I have worn this so much and it is getting like, I don't know if you can tell, very faded. I think I just need to stop wearing it. I wear it all the time, but it's getting a little ridiculous. So same with this one, this shirt. I don't know if you can tell. I end up wearing this like once a week and it's not looking great. Let's just get rid of that. Here's another sweater. This is a really pretty green sweater. This one I haven't had for that long. I bought this, I think, in the fall from Old Navy, and I also have it in like a copper burnt orange, kind of similar to the one I'm wearing today, but that one will stay. And then another one of these Target long sleeve shirts. Like I said, I wear these all the time. This green one is in better shape, so we'll keep that one. This is something I haven't even had for that long. I've only worn this like once. It's like a little crop top thing. I got this to wear with blazers. It's cute. I need to wear it. This is also from Target. This here, I really like this shirt, but it's a little bit too big. I really like this pink color, but I just don't think it fits me properly. So fit is very important. I really do. If something doesn't fit properly, there's no point. You're not gonna wanna wear it or, you know, enjoy wearing it. Okay, this is a similar, this one is from Target, but I bought it at the thrift store. Yeah, so many of my clothes are from Target, but I think they have good stuff. So I like that color a lot. Oops, that pile is gonna be falling over soon. This is a quite old shirt. It's like a fake velvet. I actually like this. I think this shirt is, I don't even know from how long. Maybe from when I was like in high school or college or something. I know, which is crazy, but okay, that is going to be a keep. I've decided to sit down. Okay, this dress is so pretty. It is a wrap dress. It's the brand Laundry. I bought this 6 years ago at TJ Maxx and it is so pretty, but I don't wear wrap dresses. It just, yeah, I don't wear this. I haven't worn it in years. I don't think this is really my style anymore, so that's gonna go. Okay, I have a giant pile like on the floor. Let's see. This is kind of not super cropped, but semi-cropped. This is Forever 21. I actually really enjoy this kind of khaki green color. That one is going to stay. I don't know where I'm gonna start. This room is gonna be a disaster. I don't even know, but it's fine. We'll keep going. This is something I bought from Target last year, and I am embarrassed to say I've never worn this, but it's, or maybe I've worn it once. I think only once. And it's one of these, what are these called? Like these kind of puffy sleeved t-shirts. This is so cute. And it's like scrunched up here, pretty coral color. Oh, yeah. Again, that's why everything is just gonna fall. I know. That's why I'm doing this. Okay, this is a super casual dress. This is thrifted, but it is originally from Gap. And this I would say is too big. I wore it mostly as a swimsuit cover up last year, but I have plenty of things I can use for a swimsuit cover up. I don't know, it just seems kind of unnecessary because I'm not someone who's like going to a beach or a pool all the time anyway, and I could just throw on anything over a swimsuit. It's totally fine. Okay, I also have these from Forever 21. I bought them at the same time as the green one. I really like the yellow one. But I don't know, we're just gonna okay, this one, this beige color, I feel like maybe isn't the most flattering on me. I don't know. I'm not convinced. And I think this one was a little bit tight, a little bit too small. Again, fit is important, so goodbye. Then I've got a pile of floral shirts here. I used to wear floral print a lot. I'm not as into it as I once was, but I still like the shirts I have, like this teal color. This is so pretty. Haven't worn it in a while. I don't know. I'm going to keep this because sometimes I'm like not into a certain style, but then things kind of change. So I'm going to keep that. Also, this purple floral one. This one is from Target. I really like this one. I think I'm going to keep that. Okay, am I just keeping all of the floral print now? I think I am. This brown, orangey brown, oh my gosh, this one is so pretty. I love it. Okay, this color, I love these kind of like copper, what I'm wearing today. You will see is a theme for me. Okay, more floral. This is something I've had for a very long time. I bought this at Nordstrom Rack a few years ago. No, not a few years ago, like 6 or 7 years ago. This is really pretty. Like when I want a pastel look, this is the shirt. It is see-through though, so this I wear a tank top underneath. The brand Romeo and Juliet Couture. I feel like I see this brand a lot at Nordstrom Rack. So I haven't used that one in a while, so hopefully I'll wear it. Here is one of my oldest shirts, and I love it still. Burgundy, beautiful, flowy. This is from Forever 21. like 8 years ago. The interesting thing about Forever 21, I feel like if I pick out the products properly, they actually last a long time. So yeah, this shirt I've had for close to a decade. I think I've had it more than 8 years. I think like 9, maybe even 10 years ago. It is still in great condition. It's like super flowy, has a tie here. The most beautiful fall color. Love that. Okay, here is a summer dress. I love this blue color, but again, fit is a problem on this one. It's a little bit too small. I don't have time for that. I just have decided I don't have time for clothes that don't fit. Goodbye, goodbye. Here is one of my favorite dresses. This is floor length. I don't know if you can really see, but it is so pretty. I love it for summer and it's really, really comfortable. So this is a dress I only wear in the summertime, or if, you know, back in the day when I actually went on vacations to warm places, this was the dress and I still love it. I've had it for a long time and it's, oh yeah, Vince Camuto. This is beautiful. I've had this dress for like 6 years and yeah, definitely my favorite summer dress. And yeah, so the bottom is like more sheer. The black part goes to just above the knee and then the rest is sheer on the bottom. It's just, yeah, I love that one. That's one of my favorites. This is something, I'm not sure about this one. My mom gave me this. She had it and she didn't really wear it. It's like a button-up dress. And I thought I could wear it just open over some other outfit, but dropping it. It's definitely too big. I don't think it's the most flattering, so I think this is gonna be a go-to. Again, fit is very important. Okay, moving on. These pants. I had a pair, I'm trying to think. Is this the pair? Yeah, I think so. This pair of black pants, the hem is like falling apart. And I know I could get that fixed, but I just don't really see a point. I don't wear black pants as much as I thought that I would. I usually, if it's a casual outfit, I'm much more likely to wear jeans. So I don't know. And I don't really wear them to work either. So it's like, okay, whatever. One of my few sparkly night out type dresses. I don't have many because I don't wear things like this very much. The last time I wore this was my husband and I went to Vegas in October and I wore it there and this is the perfect Vegas dress. I've worn it to a few other like special occasion party type things. It's from Forever 21 quite a while ago, but it's still in really good condition. It does have long sleeves. This one's really nice. And I feel like it's nice to have something like this because if the occasion comes up for me to need a sparkly dress, I don't want to have to buy a new one because that occasion is rare. So yeah. Okay, this is kind of a newer thing. I got this at Old Navy. I think I got it in the fall because I wanted it for the Vegas trip and I did wear it in Vegas with a jean skirt. It was so cute. This is really cute and I actually have this in another color. But yeah, I won't be wearing that for a while now that it's winter, but I like it. This is one of my favorite clothing items in my collection. It is a romper. I don't know if you can see. It is so cute. It looks like it's a dress, but it's a romper. And it is so cute. I wore this. I bought this in the spring. And I've worn this a ton. I wore it several times last summer. I wore it in Vegas too. That's a favorite. So yeah, I have a lot left to go through. So what I'm gonna do is do like a little sped up portion and then I'll be back. Okay, I'm getting tired, but I think I've done a decent job decluttering. I've reorganized a little bit. This one, I mean, it looks about the same because my goal was to get some things from that other closet into this closet. But let me show you. 2 big garbage bags are going to be donated. So all of this is going. I'm pretty happy with that. So that's it. I think this has helped me out. And again, I'm so glad that I'm doing a low buy for fashion items as well as makeup, because I don't need to accumulate this much because I can't even wear it. I found some things like this sweater here behind me. I've only worn this twice. I found a couple of things I haven't even worn yet. So that's a little bit sad. That's why I'm doing this. And yeah, I'm pretty happy with the results, and I'm happy to be donating 2 full garbage bags. That is pretty good. So that is it for this video. Let us know, have you been cleaning out your closet, or are you going to? Thank you so much for watching, and have a great day.